You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll explain why you can't translate web pages on your iPad when you're offline. Let's get into it. Translating web pages on iPad requires an active internet connection, at least when you're using Safari's built-in translate feature. That tool depends entirely on Apple's servers to process and translate the content. So when you're offline, it simply won't work, no matter how many times you try to reload or tap the translate button. If you have text available and still want to translate something while offline, there are a few workarounds. One of the best options is to use the Google Translate app. It supports offline translation for both text and images, as long as you've downloaded the necessary language packs in advance. Once those are saved, the app can work without an internet connection. For situations where you just need to translate a paragraph or a section of text, you can copy and paste it into Google Translate or another app that supports offline use. Just keep in mind that this only works with typed or scanned text. It doesn't support full web page translation like Safari does when you're online. So offline translation on iPad is possible, but it's more limited and works best when you're prepared in advance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more practical iPad tips. See you later.